And without those variations, natural selection has nothing to work upon. About the first postulate on the origin of species that we are seeing. The first one is variation. And variation within a population is important because that way not just one virus can wipe out an entire species. It also provides the raw materials for organisms to be able to have natural selection work upon them. These might stem from mutations, or they might actually come from epigenetic markers, but in a certain respect, it produces various types of the same thing. You see, this might be a species, but this is not a variation of this. These are variations. This is a variation. This is a variation. This is a variation. This is a variation. You see, all of these different colors are variants of the same thing, and that variation allows the raw materials. See, mutation is random. I'll give you that. And it's very difficult to produce all the species that we have with that randomness. But natural selection weeds out which ones are least fit. And by weeding out the ones that are least fit, it needs to have that variation. It needs to have different organisms with different characteristics, because otherwise everything gets wiped out at the same time. But if there's one that has a variant of something, it might survive and reproduce and carry on its traits into the next generation. See, that variation allows the raw materials for that to be able to survive and reproduce and produce more of its own kind. See, when we actually see the phylogenetic trees of things branching off from one another as reproduction happens, you see that the variations that are making it most fit are able to produce more offspring like that. Variation and mutations are key for us to have all of the different various types that we have.